guys, Anna here, and we're back for another travel show. For today's video, we will be wandering around Bonifacio High Street. So their malls offers of a mixed high-end retail shops, restaurants, amenities, leisure, and entertainments in the Philippines. So yun guys, excited na ako ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga shops meron sila dito at saka mga restaurants. Mamaya, hanggang dulo pa yan eh, masyadong mahaba to. Yeah, Italiannis. This is a restaurant for family. Sarap ng pagkain nila. Guess what? Italian food. Kasi Italianis. Joke. Itong mga yung mga health conscious dyan, pwede kayong mag-shopping dito. Parang gusto kong pumasok. Pero tsaka na lang. Para sa mga health conscious, sa mga takot sa mga calories, dito kayo pumunta. Figaro. Yung Figaro sa Makati na sa may Palangka at saka Greenbelt nagsarado. Ito, bukas pa. I like their coffee and their meals. Mga set of meals nila. Brother Burgers. This must be very good. Sikat din yan sa mga mga burger shops. Isa sa mga burgers sa Metro Manila na medyo sikat. MotoStreat. Yan, baka makabili ako ngayon ng motor dyan. Bagong trendy ngayon na motor, Vespa. Mahal yan. Kala nyo, ganyan lang yan, pero mahal yan. Vespa. Kayang-kaya ko bumili yan, mga 10. Woo! Nyang, nyang. Yamaha. Ito pang police car, police service. Ganda no? Parang pang macho. So everywhere you go around here, meron silang mga outdoor seating. So pwede ka tumambay. Or you can even bring your own food. Wow, this is a dog shops. You can buy shampoos, mga nila, accessories ng mga pets nyo. Ganda. Nung may aso pa ako, siguro bibili ako dito. Pero ngayon wala pa. Hirap mag-alaga ng aso pag nasa condo ka at may mga bata. So yun guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, huwag nyong kalimutan yung face mask nyo. At syempre, practice social distancing pa rin tayo. Oh my gosh, my favorite. This is one of my favorite place to go to hang out. Timezone. Tiramisu is my favorite and Mary Grace. How did I forget that thing? So, kung Pinoy ka, mahilig ka sa sardines, try their pasta sardines. Sobrang sarap. And ito yung favorite ko. For healthy people that likes fruits, juice, Jamba Juice. Let's try to buy. Let's try buying one. Oh! Meron silang oat milk. Sobrang sarap. Dahil sa kakalakad namin, sobrang thirsty. And this one, really, it's very refreshing. Kaya masarap inumin. Tsaka healthy siya. I think wala nga ata tong sugary fruits. They're all berries.
At the end of BGC High Street, you will find a Mine Museum and Dinoplay. Unfortunately, it is closed right now. They are open every Friday to Sunday.
So, sa mga plantitos and plantitas, if you want to put your plants in a very beautiful pot. Alam nyo ba, lumakas ang mga bentahan ng halaman nung nag-umpisa yung pandemic kasi yung mga tao naboboard. Grabe, ang gaganda. Ganito yung mga nakikita nyo sa malls, mga hotels. Pero yung sa kanila plastic, mga fake. Parang yung kaibigan mo. Diba? Oh, Point City Hindi ko alam kung forever ba siyang ganyan or nag-ano lang siya, nagte-turn into color like this pagka bare month. But it's very beautiful. It colors the road every Christmas, lalo na sa Makati. This is what they call sensation plant. This is very expensive during the yung pandemic, nag-umpisa yung pandemic na nagbebenta sila ng mga halaman. Sobrang mahal yan. Ano to? Pambansang, anong tawag dyan? Pambansang, ano to? Anahaw. Pambansang dahon? Siyempre, hindi to pambansang ibon. Pambansang dahon ng Pilipinas. Anahaw. You can use it for roof. Lalo na sa bundok, you can use this one for roof, and you can also cut this one for fan. Oh, you have guava. If you want to plant trees in your backyards, fruits, they have guavas, they have avocados. This is santol ba yan o ano? Hindi ko alam. Ayo nga, rambutan nga. Lambutan. Oh, ano to Sunkist ata to o kaya dalarangita, they're not sure. Oh, look at this. Uy, American lemon. Ganyan pala yun. 3,000 sa bunga.
Kasama pong puno.
Wala namang nakakaalam Baka pagalitan ka nila. Kumakain ka na ba ng bunga dito?
Opo. Sweet catimon yan, galing Talisay.
Ha?
Sweet catimon po yan. Bonsai, galing Talisay Batangas.
Ma'am. Gusto ko. Wala kasi kaming lupa, kuya.
Pwede po, ma'am,
Nasa kondo lang kami.
Opo. Buhay po yan kahit po indoor, outdoor. Basta every other day po dinig. Para mas po sa parami bunga, ma'am.
Ay, naku. Basta gusto ko yung bunga. Ano ba? Kuya, yung mga kalamansi nyo, ang daming bunga. Look at that. Look, big. Grabe, guys. So, guys, kung kayo mahilig talaga ng mga plants, lalo na yung mga kakaiba. My gosh, pumunta kayo dito. Dala kayo ng maraming pera. Kasi grabe, sobrang gaganda. Na-amaze ako. Kaso wala akong pera eh.
Wow! Look at the murals! Sobrang ganda, grabe. Actually guys, this whole thing is made of books. You can't imagine kung gaano kadami na ginamit nila na books dito. Amazing, right?
Today, so ayan guys, kakain kami sa Thai restaurant. They call it Mango Tree. Hinahanap ko yung mango pero wala. Kahit yung mango na lang, wala silang mango tree. This is a red curry. Di ba maraming klaseng curry? I'm actually guys on diet, but sorry, it's just really good. Can't help it. So hindi ko alam, tumutubo pala ang chives sa pad thai. So the most awaited part of the dinner. So yeah, dessert. What you got? What you got? What you gotta do with the dessert? So ayun guys, tapos na po tayo sa ating activity for today. So overall, lalo na sa food, it's spectacular. Grabe, lahat the best. And it was a great exercise for me. It was a bit tiring pero worth it kasi ang dami mong makikita, ang daming napupuntahan. Kailangan mo ng pera pag napunta ka dito. Pero syempre, mas maganda pumunta ka dito kasama mo ang pamilya mo or mga friends mo, lovers mo, gano'n. Ang daming lovers, di ba? So this place is located in Bonifacio High Street, Taguig City. So also if you wanted something different, like you want to go to a museum, they have here Mines Museum. It's a science museum. But first, before you come here, you have to buy ticket online. Para yun ang pass mo papasok. Kasi you cannot walk in without tickets. Ganun. They are open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So yun guys, thank you again for joining me on this experience. And if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more videos. See you again next time, and adios!